Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Secondary Mathematics 1 or D1. Dear students, today we will attempt question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 1C. Our chapter is prime, highest common factor, lowest common multiple and integers. Dear students, इस चैप्टर के सोल्यूशन के लिए आपको सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएगी। इसके अलावा आप मेरा फेसबुक पेज विजिट कर सकते हैं फॉर द सोल्यूशन ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. वी हैव बीन गिवन सम नंबर्स एंड वी हैव टू लिस्ट the positive integers, the negative integers, the positive numbers and the negative numbers from the given numbers. Dear students, to identify positive integers, negative integers, you have to first revise the concept of integers. So let's check it out, the integers first. Dear students, integers are whole numbers. Mean not fractional. Not fractional mean not in the form of fraction or decimal. So whole numbers are like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dear students, we have positive integers and negative integers too. Like positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and like this. So now we have to identify first the positive integers. So let's check it out, the positive integers from the given one. Dear students, now look at -0.3. It's a decimal number, a negative decimal number, so it can't be integer because integers are whole number. This number cannot be an integer because it's a fraction. Next is 0. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's a whole number. But we have to identify positive integers and negative integers. So 0 हमारे पास positive भी नहीं है और negative भी नहीं है. It's a integer because it's a whole number. But ये positive भी नहीं है और negative भी नहीं है. Next student, we have -5/7. So it's also not integer. So when we are searching, identifying integers from the above numbers, the first I'm getting positive integer is this one and the next positive is this one. Now dear students, let's find it out, the negative integers. So the negative integers are -12 and -2017. These are the negative integers. Now dear students, we have to find the positive numbers. So numbers include decimals, fractions. ठीक है, numbers तो हमारे पास decimals भी हैं और fractions भी हैं. So positive numbers 1/5. Then we have the positive number 4.33. Then we have the positive number this one. Then we have the positive number 4. Dear student, this one which we have included in the positive integers also a number as well, na? 4 is a number as well. Okay. Negative numbers, so you can easily identify the negative numbers -0.3. Then you have the negative number, you can find it out from here, -12. Then the negative number -1 whole 1/2 and then the negative number is 2017. 17, and I've got this one, that is 5 by 7. Negative numbers identification is that we have a negative or the minus sign with it. Student, you can see that 0 is left, like 0 is not the positive integer, not the negative integer, positive number or the negative number. 0 is a number but not positive or negative. So it means 0 is nowhere here. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks below. And A blank is, if minus 6 represents 6 meter below sea level, then plus 30 represents. Dear students, now you have to analyze from the given information, like minus 6 represents 6 meter below sea level. Mean आप sea level से below move करेंगी when it's minus 6 is representing this. कितना आप below sea level जाएंगे? 6 meter. So analyzing this information, plus 30 represent 30 meter above sea level. B1, if plus 40 represent depositing $40 in the bank, then withdrawal of $35 is represented by. Dear student, plus 40 means that you are depositing $40 in the bank. You are with plus 40 represent depositing $40 in the bank. Then when you have to withdraw $35, then it's represented by negative 35. If minus 60 represent a clockwise rotation of 60 degree. If you have minus 60 degree, then it means that it's a clockwise rotation of 60 degree. Then if you have plus 30 degree, it means it's representing anti-clockwise rotation of 30 degree. And the last one is, if plus 45, positive 45 represent a speed of 45 km per hour of a car traveling east. Then minus 45 represents the car is traveling 45 km per hour towards west. 45 is representing, plus 45 representing a speed of 45 km of the car traveling east. So minus 45 represent karega a speed of 45 km per hour of a car traveling west. Question number 3. Fill in the each box with greater than or less than sign. Dear students, we have to use the symbol to fill these blanks. So, first of all, you have to identify the symbols. So, dear student, this symbol like L, this one, it's like L, so it's used for less than, and this one as for greater than, obviously. Okay, so dear students, for this हम नंबर लाइन पे नंबर्स को देख लेते हैं. Here you can see on right side of the 0 we have the positive numbers, and on the left of the zeros we have the negative numbers. You can see that numbers are increasing over here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on negative, the numbers are decreasing because the numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Now, the first one is 16 and 60. So, 16 is less than 60, smaller than 60. So, we will use this L-like symbol. 16 less than 60. 3.1 and 3.2. 3.1 is less than 3.2. So you have to use this one like L symbol. Now C part, one we have positive number and other we have a negative number. So dear students, it's a negative number. So negative number is always smaller than a positive number because this number is in minus. Like you can have the negative temperature in minus. So it means this is -6 is less than. Now here 30 and -31. Obviously the negative number is less, like first now we have 30 and 30 as bigger than -31. So we have to use this one sign. Now -2. Now look at here, it's 0 and -2 is left, mean it's less than 0. So we can use this one symbol. Now 9.8 minus 9.9. So we have a positive number here. So positive number is greater than negative number. So it means we will use this greater than sign. Hopefully students, आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. And don't forget to like and share the video.